Hi, this is David from YourPST Studios, and today I'm going to show you how to clear out a combo box. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing we'll do is put a button, a combo box, and a text box all on the screen. Let me do text box differently. There we go. Alright, so text box, combo box, button. We're going to go ahead and name button or put clear as the button label. We'll go ahead and put button 01 for the button name, combo 01 for combo name, text 01 for text name. And we are going to go to our code and add in the following. combo01.items.add. We'll do test1. Copy that a few times. Change the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so with that, we're going to click on the clear button, go to our events, and make a click event from it. And with that click event, we are going to do if text underscore 01 dot text is equals not empty, and then we will go ahead and clear just the box or just the text that's inside of the text box. So we will do combo dot items dot remove, and we will do text 01 dot text. It's in that. Do an else, and if it does not have the text box or does not have something from in the text box, then we will just go ahead and clear the entire thing. All right, so let's go check it out. And so we populated it with the test 1 through 5. And we'll try with test 1. As you can see, it does show. We click test 1. Test 1 is gone. Let's do test 3. Test 3 is gone. Now if we empty the whole thing and click clear, the entire list is gone. We'll start it one more time just to show. Click clear. Gotta clear out the text box first. Click clear, entire list is gone. And it's that quick. Hope that helps. If you learned something, like, subscribe, share with others. Thanks.